Today's tutorial is on a pony braid. I call it a pony braid because it's a side braid that looks like a ponytail. I have already shampooed, blow dried, and flat ironed because I am natural. I'm using the Q braid hair. It's the hair. See the texture of it? It's kind of straight. It has a little kink to it. First thing, when you take the hair out of the pack, it does come rubber band. I always take that rubber band off because that rubber band is just a little bit flimsy. The end of the hair is usually blunt, cut straight across. So the first thing you want to do is kind of pull the little hairs to make it not look so even, to just kind of have like a natural end. Once you get that, take the hair, shake it back out. Be careful, you don't want to lose hair. This hair can get really, really messy. Then you do the other side. Then you take the hair, you get a rubber band, and then you're going to put the rubber band on like so, and then you pull it through the loop to tie it, just like that. Once you do that, you're going to tie it on to your little bun up top. If you are relaxed, you can wear this style as well. Your hair will slick up with no problem. But if you are natural, it doesn't matter if you have a large puff here. It really doesn't matter because of the way we're doing it. That large puff actually will help. So once it's on, I like for mine to hang on my right side. So I'm going to switch it over to the left. Make sure it's smooth. And you want to do a loose braid with 3 strands. And you loosely start braiding. And because I want it like the faux goddess look, I would pull a strand out, like pieces of hair in different areas. I will pull it out, pull it over, and continue to braid. Remember, you don't want to braid too tight. I did get the pack of hair that comes with three jumbo braids in one pack, and I used 2 of the braids together. However, this is just one pack because I'm just showing you how to achieve this look. Let's continue to braid loosely. I want to pull out another strand here, and you can pull out as many strands as you like. Continue to loosely braid. Gonna pull another piece out here. Pull another piece out here. You do that all the way down. When you get to the bottom, you want to leave some loose and do a few of the curls on the ends of the hair. This is what I have left. Now again, you don't have to leave. You can braid down a little bit more if you want to, but keep in mind, you're going to rod the end of the pony. So you want to leave enough to actually form a curl. Now I'm going to take a little black rubber band and tie it around the base of the braid, like so. Now I'll pull all my little strands back on this side. Then I'm going to take this and swing it over this way, placing it over the ball. This is why I told you it doesn't matter if you have a large ball at the top. Then you want to pin this down, pin it down, making sure you have covered your ball underneath completely. And because we flipped it over, some of these pieces are behind. You can easily bring them forward. If you want it longer, you would continue to braid down, or you would use braid hair that's a little bit longer. Now you will need flexi rods. You want to take your strands, since this is synthetic hair, in order to curl it, you will have to dip it in hot water. See how long these strands are? You will take a pair of scissors, razor, whatever you have, and you can cut. Just kind of go downward so you don't do a blunt cut. Then you will take your flexi rod. The way I do it, I always take it, I wrap the hair around till it gets to the very end, and then I angle it going upward to make like a spiral curl, and just bend it like so. You do that with each piece. Again, cut, you will rod, same thing for your ends. Now they're ready to be dipped. I just boiled water in the microwave for like 10 minutes. You will also need a towel. You want to make sure you don't burn yourself. The first one I will dip this top one. It goes into the water. You will hold it here, count to 10. You want to take the towel and squeeze it together. Now we're ready for the next one. Squeeze it together. Absorb all that water. Now for the end. This can actually go in together. You kind of want to let them cool off. While that's going on, you take your braid. You can kind of pull your braid apart to make it a little bit looser and a little bit fatter. Take it apart. Beginning with the top one that we dipped first. And you just kind of want to unravel it. And there's your curl. The next one, same thing. There's your curl. Let's take the ends down. I kind of like the frizziness of it and the looser curl. Let's just say you want it to kind of be more up top for these to hang. Just take that piece, take a hairpin, and just pin it exactly where you want it. The ones at the bottom, we could do the same. You could let them dry a little bit, and then you can start pulling them apart to give a more fuller look. If you want to secure the back so that it doesn't really move, it could stay in place. You just take your hairpin and pin that base downward. To give it a little bit more pizzazz, you can add a little braid jewelry that you can get from your local beauty supply. You can just place these wherever you like. And you just open it up, place it where you want, and squeeze it back together. I take 2 to cover the base, the rubber band at the bottom, and then place the other one in the front. And this is how you cover your rubber band. And here you have it, beauties, the pony braid.